Industrial AI technology works. The algorithms are accurate. The platforms are scalable. So why do so many predictive maintenance programs stall after the pilot?
We know the technology works, is either mature or will rapidly become mature.
Change management is something that you shouldn't need if we all do our jobs properly.
AI needs to be a force multiplier of your team, not a tool to slash the staff.
Management didn't seem to mind too much when it failed and brought the line down. So
this is The Adoption Gap, a 4-part special series from Trend Detection. Over the next 4 weeks, we're going to hear from a wide range of experts, each with a different lens on why adoption, not technology, is the real battleground. The Adoption Gap starts Wednesday, the 17th of June. Subscribe now wherever you listen to Trend Detection.